movies and TV shows on the long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If you're looking for something new, something different, make it super easy, and we're doing this really quick today. Go in the search icon. Download a program called Downloader. I already got it installed, so I'm just going to click on it and go. Up in here, we're going to enter a quick short PIN, 546835. This will go directly to our website, Led by the Unknown. There is a short little 5-second redirect. The next time you come here, you won't need to worry about a redirect, because once this page pops up, please just hit the little 3-line button on your remote. Add current page to favorites, and then it's save. Okay guys, when you're in here, we can just come on down slowly to the downloads page of the Led by the Unknown website, where you can get great applications on your Fire Stick. Here we can scroll down a bit to the movies, TV shows, and some live streaming applications. We're just going to come down and we can click on Zumo TV. Under the Zumo TV download page, we can just slide all the way down to where we have our downloads. You can do this on your Android device or an Amazon Fire Stick like we have here. Quick little download. Click install down in the bottom right. And once it's finished installing, click the done button and then delete the APK, because we'll no longer need that APK file. Now we can hit the home button. Come on over to your apps and games icon, the little 3 squares and a plus sign. Now we can come down and look for Zumo TV. You can even push the little 3-line button on your remote, move it to the front, and now we have a quick shortcut to the front. Let's open up Zumo real quick here. And we'll let Zumo play load up, since this is the first time it's opened. And as you can tell, we got favorites, holiday hub. What's in the holiday hub, you say? Look at all the content in the holiday hub. Jacob, have I loved? News, weather, movies, sports, combat sports, automotive, crime, you name it. We also have free movies. We also have TV shows. And, of course, networks. Guys, one-stop shop. That's all you need. Take it easy. Peace.